and good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Battle of Voices, organized by Bloggers Alliance in association with Pokify, Kids Chopal, and Voice of Achievers. What would be the three most important factors of telling a good audio story? Starting with you, Adra.
Right. So I think regardless of medium, really, I think it's safe to say that the first most important thing is to, of course, immediately hook your audience in the first few minutes, first few seconds, if possible, because right now, famously, we all know attention spans are limited. No one has the time to even sort of sit and listen to someone taking time to set up a story and wait for the crux of the story to like settle in and then you catch on to it. So I think as storytellers, our first understanding of our audience in the current scenario, they're not going to have the time to really sit through a lot of detail at the very beginning. So yeah, I think getting to the gist of the story soon is very important. Secondly, because we are living in an era where information is so easily available to everyone, I think if we are if we are talking about, for instance, a lot of the non-fiction podcasts, I think what they did really well is give us information that we are not privy to if we just Google it, which is basically providing your own opinion, your own perspective, and your own twist to available information. And I think the third thing is, again, when we are conveying or conveying an idea or a thought or telling a story, it should be easily accessible in terms of your thoughts should be lucid. Then way you are narrating it should be coherent.